Hi, my name is Bryce, and today I'm going to show you how to save your money and achieve plump, fuller lips at home with just a few easy steps using some of my favorite Mary Kay products. First, I'm going to start out by prepping my lips with White Tea and Citrus Satin Lips Shea Sugar Scrub. This sugar scrub is going to remove any flaky, dead skin to achieve softer, conditioned lips. I'm going to leave this on for a minute and then I will take it off with a damp towel. Now I'm going to use White Tea and Citrus Satin Lips Shea Butter Balm. This is the creamiest texture and it makes my lips feel so smooth. I've started using it every day and I've noticed my lips retain moisture more than ever. To start my lip look, I'm going to slightly overline my lips with Mary Kay lip liner. I picked a shade slightly darker than my skin tone. This one is in the color Rose. So as you can see, I'm lining right above my top lip line. And then I'm going to go under my bottom lip to give the illusion that my lips are fuller. For my lip color, I'm going to use Mary Kay Gel Semi-Shine Lipstick. I have here two shades, Naturally Buff and Rosewood. I'm applying the slightly darker shade Rosewood on the outer corners of my lips, and the Naturally Buff on the center of my lips. I'm going to blend this out to give an ombre effect, which will give the illusion of a fuller lip. Next, I'm applying this high shine Mary Kay Unlimited Lip Gloss in the shade Sheer Illusion on the center of my lips. This is going to brighten them up and draw attention to this area. It's also going to make them look super hydrated. If you want to draw a little extra attention to your plump lip look, you can dab a bit of this Mary Kay Chroma Fusion highlighter to the center of your Cupid's bow. Now, when the light catches, my lips will look especially plumped. As an added step, I'm going to apply a bit of this Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer in light beige to create more defined lines. Using concealer will help a lot, especially if you're using a bold color like red. It cleans everything up so nicely. This is my completed fuller lips look. If you love it as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.